Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we want to navigate into Settings. From here, select Storage. And once it gives you this pop-up right here, or this area right here, as you can see where it says this device, you can tap on it and then select your SD card. Now tap on the three dots and select Format. It will bring up a message that format this SD card. This SanDisk SD card needs to be formatted before it can be. That's actually incorrect. I can already store files on it, so let's disregard this first portion, but then the second one will be more important. So formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So obviously if you keep anything on it that you don't want to actually delete, make a copy of it somewhere else. Now, just gonna select Format SD card. This will automatically begin the process and it only takes a couple of seconds, so it should be right about done. There we go. So click on the Done button and that's it. The card is now ready to be used once again. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.